Hello, in this video you will learn how to make a small ribbon bow clip. For this we will first line the alligator clip with a 6 mm grosgrain ribbon. Here I will be using grosgrain ribbon. One is 6 mm wide and the other one is 15 mm wide. We will line this alligator clip with the 6 mm ribbon. Now we are done with the lining of this clip, and after lining it we will cut the other ribbon for the bow. Here I am using 4-inch long strip of this ribbon, and then I'll burn the ends with the help of lighter so the threads do not come off. Now fold the ends in such a way that one of the end comes on the top of a little bit on the top of the other one, so you can sew them from the middle and pinch the bow. And yeah, now we will pinch the bow. In the end we will glue the small ribbon in the middle of this bow, and the bow will be ready. If you like seeing my videos, please do subscribe to my channel for more and comment your suggestions. If you have any suggestions which kind of content should I be creating in my next videos, I will be very happy if you can give me some suggestions for my next content. So after making this bow, in the end we will attach it to the alligator clip. Make sure every time you cut the grosgrain ribbons, to secure it by burning the end so the threads do not come off. And we have a beautiful small ribbon bow. These are perfect for the people who do not like the big bows in their kids' hair.